Are you encountering errors while updating Windows with different error codes? Don't worry, in this video, I'll guide you through fixing all these update-related errors. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. So restart your Windows and attempt the update again. If that doesn't work, let's move on to the next step. We'll check some essential services. Open the Windows search bar, type services, and open it. Sort the services by name. Scroll down until you find Windows Update. Right-click on it, select Properties. Go to Startup Type, choose Automatic. Then click Apply and start the service. Click OK. Now scroll up and find Windows Installer. Right-click on it and then click Start. Similarly, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click on it and then click Start. After starting these services, restart your computer. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Make sure to also check the advanced options and ensure the update options are toggled on. Now try updating Windows. Next, try the troubleshooter. Go to Settings, click Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Windows Update, and then run the troubleshooter. This will diagnose and suggest fixes for any problems. If you're still encountering issues, let's try another fix. Renaming and recreating the Windows Update folder might do the trick. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click and select Run as Administrator. Now execute the following commands. You can also find them in the description. Type net space stop space bits and hit enter. Now type net space stop space WUA user V and hit enter. Now type REN space %sign system root %sign / software distribution space software distribution .bak and hit enter. Now type REN space %sign system root %sign / system32 / catroot2 space catroot2.bak and hit enter. If you get an access denied message, ignore it and proceed. Type net space start space bits and hit enter. Then type net space start space WUA user V and hit enter. Now type exit to exit CMD. Restart to Windows 10, go to settings and check for Windows Update. This should resolve the issue. Let us know in the comments if this helped. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe for more tips.